Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing US30 and NAS100. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So today, as you can see, we have US30 on the daily time frame. So I'm gonna start bailing out all the levels that I'm seeing on the market here. So basically, I'm starting with my levels of support, resistance, and mid ranges. So there's a support and resistance level that I'm seeing. And the mid-range level is, let's see, which level am I seeing? It's over here, basically. So this is what I have on the support level and resistance level. And I can see that from this point over here, this pair has been pushing to the upper side over here. And then let us cater for the upper side as well. Okay. So this is what we have. So we can see that the market is pushing from this point over here. The market is moving like this. So basically, we're waiting to hit this point right over here based on their daily time frame analysis. So we are going to shift to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on to get the correct direction and the best entry level that we can get. Okay, so basically we are over here. You can see that the market from this point over here has been pushing down, like here with this trend line up until it broke over here. In order for it to push down, it broke off here and retested the trend line right over here and went up. So basically that's what we had. So now we are going to focus right over here. So if we pay attention very well, let me highlight this again. You can see that this level was respected over here and the market has been playing around. The market has been playing around this area over here. Okay. So the market has been playing around this area here before it broke this level over here. So sorry about that. Let me bring back that level. Okay. So this is what we have, right? So I hope all of us are seeing this. So we can see that the market broke off on this level over here and created a new trend line starting from this point over here. So I'm gonna use like a dashed line so that we can see what's really going on. So you have the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. We went to the upper side. We are waiting for a push down again. So I want to see if we have like an upper trend line as well. So, but if we pay attention over here, this level has been respected as well, where the market is now. But let us move down to the 1 hour time frame and see the reason for the rejection that we are seeing on the market. Okay. So basically, this is the first thingy that we have. So this is how the market has been moving on this side over here. And let us cater for the upper side as well. Let me start from here, actually, for more accurate directions because of this point over here. So I'm going to start our trend line over here. So if you pay attention, let me just use the lines here so you can see it very well. So if you pay attention, you can see that the market is moving first, second, third. You are waiting for a push to the downside. And another reason for that is because we saw on the 4-hour time frame, I told you guys that there was a sudden rejection right over here on this level over here. So this shows that the market is not gonna push to the upper side, push to the downward side. So that's why I'm looking for more selling opportunities than the buyers. So basically, let me zoom out a little bit first. So we are going to push from this point over here to this point at least, and after that we can take our bias up until over here. So the first entry we go to this for the sellers first, and then we go to the buyers. So this is how we're supposed to trade US30. So yeah, that'll be all for US30. Let us move to NAS100. Okay, so now we are on NAS100 on the daily time frame. So I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. So I'm gonna start bailing out the levels that I'm seeing here on the market. So currently these are the levels that I'm seeing on the daily time frame, right? So I'm seeing another trend line from this point over here to the upper side. Let me change it into a line. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. So I'm just going to move to the 4-hour time frame. So by just moving to the 4-hour time frame, I can see this pattern over here, the head, the shoulder, shoulder, and head formation, head and shoulder formation. This is our neckline over here. I'm just going to indicate the neckline over here, right over here. Nice. Oh, made a mistake, sorry. Okay, our neckline right over there. And I can see from this point over here, the market was pushing to the upside, starting from this point over here. It went up, 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 up until it broke right over here. Then it went down. So we can see that our trend line has been validated for the upward movement. So we are looking for more sellers opportunities. And what do we know about after breaking the neckline? We know that the market should push up until right over here, right? So sorry, right over here, guys. I hope you can see it, not here, but here. So, but the market could possibly push up until this level over here on the trend line. But we are going to play safe. So without making any further analysis, let us push to the lower time frame and see what's going on here and over here, so we can get the most accurate direction. So okay, let me zoom out fast. Okay, so before here we had this level over here, the trend line over here. I'm going to use the dashed lines over here so it doesn't cause confusion, on the upper side as well. Here you can see 1 2 1 2 3 break. So this is what we had before, and then now what do we have here? You can see head 1 2 break, 1 2 break. Okay, on the upper side as well. So I'm going to create another one over here. Now we can see what happened, and we can see that the market failed to come back to this area over here. So the best play out of this is to enter the market around over here, because I won't advise you to enter now, because the market could just turn back right here because the candle hasn't closed yet. So this could be a trick. So, and because I'm seeing a pin bar candlestick over here in the 1 hour time frame. So here we're going to enter here up until right over here for the sellers on NAS100. And if the market decides to, from this point over here, oops, If the market decides from this point over here, like this, move like this, and go back, I would advise you to enter because that's a risky trade. So I'm willing to tell you guys to enter only for the sellers. If it reaches to this point, we can kind of wait and see what confirmation do we have for buyers again, or we can wait up until here for buyers. So the best play on NAS100 is to um enter for the sellers. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.